Zimbabwe will be attacked. And this will be a bomb.
Oyo, you've heard it, ladies and gentlemen. This time it will be a bomb. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell. Ladies and gentlemen, Anzo Wondo Irwell Zimbabwe. You're getting to the prophet of Tisha.
And then God was showing me this attack which will happen in Zimbabwe. They will point fingers on Zambia.
Right. Ndofunga murungu zvinzwira kuti pachaputika mawani zvirunzi pachanongedzerwa Zambia. Why pachanongedzerwa Zambia? Ndofunga vakaona ka video kangu kakanzi geopolitical tension between Zimbabwe and Zambia. Anditika ninya dzeAfricom base America riri kuZambia ikoko. Vasinokaona kaone link in some description.
So Zimbabwe and Zambia, they will begin to fight. So there will be threats which will begin to happen between the two countries. Beatrice Mukagutuka.
Sister Beatrice, are you going to run away?
Pray for these two nations so that the peace we have enjoyed for both countries should be there even for our grandchildren. There are people God showed me within the country, here in Zambia, who are going there saying, let's do this. I'm speaking as a prophet because God has shown me. I don't want you to be scared when you see Zimbabwe is attacked. BBC is talking about Zimbabwe. Then they point fingers on Zambia saying, it is Zambia. We need to pray. Prophets, they reveal hidden things.
Ndofunga mangu zvinzwira mega kuti anzi kubva kuZambia vachauya kunoku kuita zvavachaita handiti pobva patanga mawani. Saka pa next video tine vamwe prophetess vaitaura futi ninyechi yehondo dzavakaona mumweya between Zimbabwe and Zambia.
I want to give you this prophecy, and this prophecy inofana kubatwa nevanhu because I saw it. We want to encourage Zimbabweans to pray for this nation. This nation, mato. I saw this thing, to me it was life. It was not an event, future event. To me, things were happening in the spirit. Zimbabwe, inoda kuti inamatirwe. Ndava atidi wondo munyika ino. Yes. That's what I can say. Atidi wondo munyika ino because I saw a war in the nation of Zimbabwe. I saw a war and the people vanga vachimhanya without knowing where are you going, without even understanding what is happening. It was like vanga vachita fararira and soldiers vanga vari mukati memapani. Things were not okay, and tisikuda kuti tisangane nezvinhu zvakadai nekuda kwekwatiri kubva. Apana singazivi chine chekuita nehondo. Nyika ino, we speak peace. Yes, and we want to continue prophesy peace, yes, upon the nation of Zimbabwe. I think the way yatave nepatave azvisisina need chakudiwa ndechekuti nyika irambe ichigadzirwa vanhu vachipfurira vachiindira mberi. Saka ndaona hondo munyika ino kana vanhu vakasanamata this thing tichachwitnessa tese tichitaura kuti apa pane varanda vamwari vakambozvitaura, and I believe I am not only one anogona kuzvitaura semuranda wamwari at this point zvisati zvavapo, but I saw.
Ladies and gentlemen, apa takuisa vamwe prophet futi achitaura nyaya yezvavakaona zvege tione kuti pane vese vari kunyepa kana kuti vese vari kuona. Isusu hatisi kuziva, vanenge vane zvavari kuonawo munopinda mucomment section muchita sei muchionesana nesu. Tobva tasisa nyaya kuvanhu vanobata nyaya inenge ichita sei ichiitika.
Ndaona vision, chiratidzo chine simba. Ndaona maflag enyika. nguva ndakatarisa maflag anga chinyatso unoziva zvinoita flag nechirohwa nemhepo zvakanaka. Mhepo yatanga kuwedzera, mhepo yatanga kuita sei. Chandishamisa ndaona flag yeSouth Africa yabvaruka ichibvarwa nemhepo ndobva yasungana sungana. Ndaramba ndakatarisisa mhepo ichidaro, ndaona flag yeZimbabwe yabvarurwa nemhepo ndobva yadonha pasi. Ndakati zviri kurei, zvikanzi ndakupa nyaya enda ududzire. Nyika inonzi South Africa muno muZimbabwe kana kudanyorai pasi hakuna munhu achataura kuti akurongedza bhegi nakumenda Jose muno. Gore ra 2024 nenyaya yakareba yekufa kwemaforeigner muSouth Africa nyorai pasi. Saka nhasi hangu regei nimbonyarara, handisida kutanga nyaya iyi kwasida kuitaura muzuva rakakodzera.
Hello there. I believe you are blessed wherever you are all over the world, regardless of the color of the skin, tribe or nation. I would love to say to the Christian it well, then one day Jesus is our answer. Right, I want to go straight to the point. I want to say a word from God for ZANU and ANC. What you are seeing, God say, what you are seeing happening to the ANC, it will affect ZANU, ZANU a lot. God said there will be a public division among the ruling party in Zim. There will be public challenge. People, they will start seeing a division of two people. The ones that support the vice president, because God said to me, there are a lot of things that are hidden. There are a lot of things that they are disagreeing the president and the vice president with. But they've been trying to hide those things. But what is happening to ANC, God say, it will lead Zim people to end up seeing what they were not expecting that it may be happening to that party. A division among two people. One group will be supporting the president, one group will be supporting the vice president. That will go to public. People, they will start challenging one another. God say, if you are from Zim, you watch and pray. If you see that thing happen, remember what I said. I say ANC won't rule. It will lose power. It was 2012. It will lose power 15 years coming. Check what has happened. And I said last year, they are not going to rig again. They are not going to rig elections as they used to do. I said last year, when last the elections of Zim, this is their last rig. So you say when you're from Zim, watch and pray. A lot of drama in the political arena is about to happen. People, you are going to see a lot of things that and a lot of people coming out and saying a lot of things. So I'm saying to you, if you're from Zim, you hear the sound of my voice. Watch and pray. That's what I can say. Watch and pray. The ANC problem will affect ZANU big time. I'm saying to you, if you hear the sound of my voice, don't forget to like and to share. Remember, Jesus loves you. So do I. May God bless you. Thank you. Hello there. I believe you are blessed wherever you are, all over the world, regardless of the color of the skin, tribe, or nation. I would love to say to the Christianity world, hang on there, Jesus is our answer. Right, I would love to go straight to the point, to the vision of a sick lion that I saw a year ago. Then I explained in that vision, it's on YouTube. I need you, those who are in Facebook, on TikTok, before you comment or you say whatever you don't know, something that you don't have a knowledge with, go on YouTube, on our YouTube, and watch the full video. I will play a clip here, a hint, so that you hear what God said about the vision. And I will repeat again to Zim people, there is nothing wrong with the new currency. There is nothing wrong with the new currency. Regardless, the idea came with people whom you don't like. The idea came with people whom you don't love. but there is nothing wrong with the currency because I said it, God said it to me, and I said it a year ago. Right, let's go to the video. This is the Zim dollar. This is their money that they are trying to revive. Now it is good as dead. As you see this lion, it is good as dead. As you see the bones of the lions, this is their money right now. No matter how they will try, because of what is happening. When you saw people coming, jumping this lion, ignoring it, it means that people, they've given up to their own money, to their own currency because of the situation. So people, they don't mind, they don't care anymore. But the stranger that you saw, a stranger, it is something that will come, a change will come. But that change won't be coming as you saw these people jumping, their own people jumping this. This stranger, this person who saw him feeding that lion, it is a stranger, meaning help that will come from outsiders. Then when I was asking how long